Hello everyone, are you seeing this? This account can't use WhatsApp error. Here are some quick fixes. First, make sure you're using the official WhatsApp app. If you're using GB WhatsApp or any other modified version, uninstall it and install the official app. Next, switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular data. If you're using cellular data, switch back to Wi-Fi. Double check that you are entering the correct phone number with the right country code. If you've requested too many verification codes, wait a few hours before trying it again. Next, you can go to your app store and check if WhatsApp has an update. Updating to the latest version can sometimes fix the bugs and problems that may be causing this error. If none of these work, the issue is most likely with your WhatsApp account, not your phone. This usually means your phone has been temporarily restricted or banned. In that case, you'll need to request a review if the option is available, or contact WhatsApp support and wait for their response. Thank you everyone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.